Welcome to my channel. Start. Kolkata. Former Calcutta High Court Judge Abhijit Ganguly on Wednesday filed a petition against Election Commission in the High Court, seeking a central agency probe into why the poll panel made wholly unwarranted and highly objectionable comments against him with a prejudiced mind. BJP's Tamluk candidate, who had ordered multiple central agency investigations during his tenure as a judge, stepped into the High Court corridors to sign his wakalatnama as a litigant and then headed straight back to Moina and Nandigram to resume campaigning after the Election Commission mandated bar. I had gone to Calcutta High Court to file a petition. I had some prior engagements, Ganguly told TOI, refusing to elaborate. In his petition, the former judge claimed that Election Commission never gave him a hearing or considered his appeal to recall or reconsider its order, violating the principles of natural justice. He argued that some of the poll panel's statements would expose him to civil litigation. EC, while censuring Ganguly, said that he brought damage and disrepute to the state of West Bengal that has a distinguished tradition of respect for women, adding that he did not remotely deserve any benefit of doubt given his educational and professional background. Ganguly asserted that he ought to have been heard before such observations were made. Ganguly, in his petition, claimed that his fundamental right of reputation and to have with reasonable human dignity had been perpetually infringed. He said it was within his rights to take appropriate action against the Commission for maligning and defaming him. Ganguly then demanded a thorough investigation be conducted by an independent, impartial central investigating agency to find out about the truth of the matter. Stop.